Hey everyone. Today I am going to be reviewing my two favorite water bottles. First, I'll be talking about my 48 ounce or 1500 milliliter wide mouth Nalgene water bottle. And second, I'll talk about my 40 ounce vacuum insulated tumbler. First, let's talk about this Nalgene. This is probably my favorite water bottle. It is BPA free. You'll notice it is a little more opaque. It's translucent compared to most Nalgenes that you would think of. It's HDPE, which means it's lighter weight and it's squishy compared to your normal Nalgene, like the regular 32 ounce that everyone has. That's harder and is usually see through. But there's a few things out of there that I really like. First of all, it's lightweight. So when I'm going backpacking or hiking or climbing, I want to save as many ounces and realistically grams as possible. So any lightness I can have, any weight I can shed as possible, as much as possible, I want that. Secondly, it's translucent. It's that HDPE material, which means if it's full of water, you can put a headlamp to it and it creates a lantern effect. And so it can illuminate a wide area instead of just a direct beam of light. I really like that. Third thing is it's really durable. These things, I've dropped it full of water off a cliff and probably multiple times. I don't know if you can see a bunch of scratch marks on there. Some of my stickers are rubbed off. It really just, you can put these things through the ringer and they'll still come back to you in one piece. It's really great. They have, almost all Nalgenes have graduation marks on them, little measurement marks. I really like that for when I'm doing backpacking and I need to measure out some water. Maybe I don't have my cup with me that has the graduations on it. So as long as your Nalgene doesn't have a bunch of stickers all over it, you can count, oh, that's a cup, cup and a half, cup and a third, thereabout, and use that for your water measurement. And you can also help you track and gauge and let you know what your water intake over time or whatever. You can measure it that way. Another great aspect is how watertight it is. This will not leak. You put the lid on tight, it won't leak. Water's not escaping from here. The other part of that is that water isn't getting in. So you can actually put things you want to keep dry, maps, matches, clothing, anything you can put in here, keep it dry and safe. Lastly, the best part about it, it's cheap, dirt cheap, $10. I think I got this one for like $7 one day, time ago. But they last forever and they're cheap. So really great, right? There are some drawbacks. My least favorite part of this whole thing is how big it is. It won't fit in any cup holder. No car that I'm ever in, minus a couple, have I been able to fit this into a cup holder. So it's just rolling around on the floor, falling off the seat. Really annoying. Second thing is the mouth. When you're trying to drink from it while you're moving, whether that be in a vehicle or walking around, it splashes all over you. You got to get one of these splash guards, a little sipper top that is made out of silicone, so that you can actually drink from it without water coming out at you. And the third, which will lead into this next one, is it's not insulated. So cold water turns hot, hot stuff turns cold. On the other hand, this guy, vacuum insulated, right? 40 ounces. These are really great because, again, insulation keeps cold stuff cold, hot stuff hot. I've had ice water keep through the night, so I can keep sipping on it from bedtime until I wake up. Ice water keeps your coffee hot most of the morning, honestly. I think I made it till about 1 or 2 in the afternoon with still noticeably hot coffee. What's also great is the top. It isn't watertight. It will spill if it's knocked over. Annoying. But straw or built-in sipper so that you can drink from it without spilling everywhere. However, you will notice that least favorite part, it's very loud. You know, you drop this and it makes a thud. You drop this and it's rattling around on the floor, scaring everyone for a while. It's also heavy. I'm not going to take this adventuring. It's very heavy. I don't want that. And, you know, I got this one as a gift. So I don't know. But, you know, it's a Stanley or a Yeti. That'll run you $40 or $50 compared to the $10 this cost. This is way expensive. So, you know, water. Everyone needs to drink water. If you're watching this, drink more water. Everyone can drink more water. But it depends on what you're looking for. If you're looking to go on an adventure, go outside, please take an Nalgene. It's waterproof. It holds water. Great. Nothing wrong with it. If you're hanging out at home or at work or on the go in the car, I see nothing wrong with this. Both great water bottles, water containers. Both have their pros, both have the cons. Now you know. Thanks.